Hello, I'm Adrian from Tangerine Salon. I'm a master stylist here, and I'm here to talk to you today about the tools I use behind the chair. So first I would like to talk about the new shears I recently purchased. Everyone was telling me how much the Hikaris really are like the luxury brand of shears. I have had tried several shears over the past few years, and these by far glide the easiest. I can use these wet or dry, and I do a lot of texturizing with them as well. So another pair of shears that I use are texturizing shears. We get ours through Shearcraft. The brand is Blowdryer. This will help take out any bulk or unwanted weight that you have in the hair, or just really texturize the ends in a stylish new haircut. Here I have the YS Park clips. At our salon, everybody has these. We all have them in different colors. Mine are red. Very good for holding the hair in place. Not too bulky, so they're not in your way. And they're very, very durable, and they've lasted me several years. Love the YS Park clips. Next, we have the Tingle Teaser, which I love. Some people don't like this, but I absolutely love it. We do a lot of ombres and balayages, so getting out that teased hair, this really works really well. A lot of parents like to use it on their children. For all the kids who are very sensitive when combing their hair when it's wet. The Tingle Teaser, you can get this at Sally's, probably like $8. It's awesome. Give it a try. You'll love it. So some of my favorite round brushes I use are the Olivia Garden ceramic ion brushes. I have a wide variety of these. They come in all different sizes, and they also come in different lengths as well. It's really cool because it has this little tip on the end if you need to section the hair out before you get into round brush to have clean sections. If you don't like it, just go ahead and stick it back in there. But yeah, Olivia Garden, really good. She comes up with all kinds of different things, but the round brushes are definitely the one that I like to use. All right, on to the very well-known Aveda flat brush. This is kind of one of the first flat brushes that came out. If you notice, if it goes this way, it's very jagged, so it helps take out tangles. This way, it goes really straight to help really straighten out the hair. I like the flat brush if someone has a lot of hair to kind of get through it really quickly, to dry it, to really straighten it out. And then I go in with a round brush to get on the ends. But this is definitely a staple in any Aveda salon, is the Aveda flat brush. Fabulous Pro Rapido. Very lightweight. It feels like it's like blowing out of your hand while you're using it. So easy on the shoulders, easy on the arms, especially when you have a guest with a lot of hair. Very powerful. I've always used Fabulous. This is by far my favorite one just because of how lightweight it is. So if you're looking for a good blow dryer, Fabulous is always good. Check it out. Good warranty as well. Love it. Here we are with another Fabulous tool. I really enjoy a Marcel. I feel like it's easier to use. For me, a lot of people don't enjoy it, but it only takes about a good week to really get used to it. I feel like this one heats up a lot faster and a lot hotter. I could use it as a regular curling iron or as a wand. During Fashion Week, this is pretty mandatory. We like Marcel's over clamp curling irons. This is a really, really good brand. You can get it on Amazon. This is a 1-inch. Love a good Marcel. You'll figure it out one day. So these are a few of my main staples I like to use behind the chair. I feel like it's really important to invest in some quality tools that you would use on your guests, especially this is your career, so why not invest into it? And they last a pretty long time. They're really good, durable, and quality to have around. So I say if you want to be a good stylist, get some good tools.